and we're doing my mermaid toy today.
Yeah, is it Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Play-Doh mermaid fun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
I wonder what color they are.
We'll see. What's in there?
Mermaid Play-Doh.
Well, take it out. Let's see what you got.
I first did these
What is that?
colors.
Wow. Stay over here. Let's see what you got. Wow.
And something to keep them up. Oh, and a mermaid.
Yeah, that's cool. What else is in there?
And another mermaid.
Whoa, what else?
And some.
Okay, we got some cool
Some
stuff.
Play-Doh.
Oh yeah, Play-Doh, Play-Doh,
And
Play-Doh.
some more Play-Doh.
Oh yeah.
And some more Play-Doh.
Alright, looks like we got some mermaids and Play-Dohs. You ready for some mermaid fun?
Yeah.
We're gonna make some mermaid hair.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. But where's their skin?
They got their skin on already. Alright, you ready for our hairstyle?
Yeah.
Alright, spin her around. Get that hair. Spin her all the way around the chair. I'll hold this. Use the spinner. Spinner, spinner, spinner. The whole chair. Ooh, look at our hair's growing. Spin her all the way around. The whole chair. The whole chair. The whole chair. The whole chair, baby. Yay! The whole chair. Grab the pink part. There you go. Spin all the way around. Spin around. Spin around. Oh, our hair's growing. Look at our hair grow. Woo! Growing, growing, growing. Growing hair. Woo! Yep, her hair is all ready to be styled. You gonna cut it? All right, cut that hair. What kind of haircut you gonna give her?
This one.
Yeah, you gonna cut it short?
No, like this one.
Oh, okay. Style that hair. Styling and profiling.
Now let's grab the brush.
Okay, you're gonna grab the brush.
Huh?
Okay.
Make it more better.
You gonna comb it? Okay. She's gonna be beautiful when you're done. Can't wait to see her.
I want to use it.
She's looking good. Oh, you gonna cut it a little bit?
No, my hair died.
She's looking beautiful. Beautiful mermaid swimming in the sea.
Pull it off.
Okay. You're the stylist, whatever you want to do. She looks gorgeous. And she's done. Look at that fabulous hair. Oh my God, I feel beautiful. Thank you, Adriana Grace. We'll see you next time. Bye.